Man being questioned about murdered British Jamaican woman's missing gun.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Cleary, the 44-year-old British Jamaican woman, who was killed and her body buried in a shallow grave at her St. Mary home, from where it was dug up on Monday, December the 3rd, is reported to have had a licensed firearm. Reports are that a man said to be a labourer of a St. Catherine address, who the police have held as a suspect, is being questioned about the whereabouts of the weapon. A source indicated that the firearm was reportedly taken from the home and handed over to an unknown person after the murder. Indications are that the murder arose from an argument between Cleary and an individual over money being demanded from her, and the friction ended with a knife being used to stab her several times. Her body was then buried close to the house. The St. Mary police exhumed the body from the grave on Monday afternoon in the Boscobel housing scheme area of the parish. Cleary went missing on Sunday, November 25th. Her body was wrapped in a tarpaulin. It had been placed in a hole which was then covered with a layer of concrete and dirt. A post-mortem examination is to be done to determine the cause of Cleary's death.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.